Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Okay, 101.7. Shini Mohammed Bashiru.
Okay, FM.
Enya MPP Secretary. Yanene twetwe nkomo. Obani mi moache.
Me do so kwame nkrumah tikasiye. Mechia we chief for nyina. Beside chia anya sutum constituency for nyina.
Na dia ya tienze constituency office nipa bia ba bebu ani. Di asem na agigine ho aba bedu sai.
Kwame. Enche bia na party no nhihye about the upcoming parliamentary primaries. When Tom Frank original no my informs. Na directive sound my say obi bia obeba so obefa form. Wo a wo ton form no, woni ho kwan say obeka so nim no, ana say onye qualified and into on ton form no ema no. Woni ho kwan say obeka so onye party member onye active.
Okay.
Onye qualified and to on form no man. And so anya so to me design and so pepe. E bedru e di forms no bedru office. As parents no the person be find the form bia no afre. Oh, that same person be find the form. Also okay, yenshia party office time say o na be 5 fe. Na February 1 and ye ko ye bi o so to ye police station executives ba kuma tani ma mi free and tina omu ye and ye ko. Mi wa na conform mi no bi minimum e ba e say omu be fa form. And I'm say na be fa form ayi ase na be fa form. I didn't know my mommy knowledge, so not notice say if you have a party office, I will form that say. Then I say yes in our far form. Once I perform war, a yasida. No person make it giddy. I will hear and say. And I'm call constancy chairman or a cobona man, say, home far form now with him. And visa chairman, woman, home in our chairman, and visa jana, a yas never form. And not today, Mutim far form no yas, and next Saturday, and tomorrow Monday. That day, no. February 1 na elections committee were meeting. Your meeting as on side by giddy. On my far form. Are they not qualified to pick form? Then we ask them, say, Mumu I never far form in his name and ask them be far form now be. Then they were inconsistent and I say, say Obina Sumamudia, Munko J note and Fiona Kuluhombra. Someone soon on be far form Mumbra Monday. And a jam Monday. Your Honor, course no be by so MC Dr. Lamti was man for some from the elections committee members maybe. So no baby, and certainly I'll be in the office. See, because two more and I'm here form no the mouth. Me the form no more no. I was calling the elections committee chairman to tell him so. Form now cast from mom no with their mom. Oh, na George Zakwa be shim form no. Before now, me dear call no. Wa shim fin me sem. But Mankasa man she no. Fortunately, or else another delegates polling station executives me and sa office ho. And she now who their course. And on why and or the phone to her. At him the ma chama man she no.
What did you attempt?
This number for the numbers which messages we say so call health work. And I'm say health work they say as in papa. Yes, MC Dr. Lamti Frama for some call health work. I'm some call me call the minyanka every month we are in health work because 2020 election in we need to be fit for purpose. And Saturday 8th February Minam baby and minya call from elections committee chairman say yenshia office na Dr. Lamti MC in the form eba and I'm say Dr. Lamti frame me encourage and train me and into say or person in the form eba na I didn't know one frame and can't say oh do and nay Saturday I no working them say be a party office but a bit my arrangement and I say some MC need to know me here party office and be am dem me submit me form amount. So maybe I'm one no tree. That this same day I make any constituency chairman we took our call mina. Certainly for day I will be the program. Obia no out of the 5 aspirants now on my form so far no. Apart from Dr. Lam TMC, Obia no be picking the form one frame. Obia no also be submitting the form one country. O movie crowd they informed me 1 week ahead of time. Friday na me too kwine. Me I would mechi eware. I had to wait at the party office to receive obi form and sana me too kwine because nobody can catch me ahead of time. One guy here and terms of a submitted form. That is 1. 2. Saturday and on working day. And I said the IMBA office and 2% me office. One nice office was in me fee. Now I can say I want to be done to a boom cocoa. No may be in my do form. And see all of them now so be am is too far. Me seem some me background now. Hey, we will do by 3 o'clock. And see no wow bet yes say obedi Dr. Lamte forms and form and because of that what to party office no office no key no. This is the way it operates. Semi ponja the war office one lady be no share all the time. Over all working days for me ponja no the following day will be. But no ponja me 2 things. Either send me the king be ma edisefa command and the following day could be office in term and I send me the king be command no fee and I send me could be in term. So that day no lady no ponja me. I left there around 7 p.m. I left the party office around 7 p.m. Now the following day, now in somewhere I cost form na kasami da one. Now receiving the form na a problem. In any case, we need that authority to disqualify anybody. Me medumani say yes and turn forms. Air committee so ultra party office na turn forms no. Obia oba e the bankers draft by bia man form. So far nipa 5 afa. And the cover and say MC no one frame and can't so the forms ever. I also did not know all that I knew is almost help work. I never heard anywhere so the form ever. And now Miss Mini party office for men got here I saw my party office name. I got a party office for just because MC has submitting the form. And I'm saying, hey, has it gotten to this level? The following day, Monday, me call na Eddie na for swa and this and this and also MC bodyguard na a pine soon. And so what the hospital now I'll see to what I can do about your bills. And see the cover I don't know. For the same I receive forms na I am duty bound whether I like it or not. Some people yakuna some penasem and Russian sem encouraging. So when she say any view wa ebia a friend Bashiru obi obia a friend Bashiru bia otino. But some run say Bashiru and so for ABC, you have to go there whether you like him or not because that is what in Shisheno and Rano Ashishe. And the cover I don't know. My reporter Mampeni for every quarter the report. I'll make it part of my report.
Okay. But I said I want you Bibia Koboko.
Oh, Anyasutum, the one who said the constituency has been very, very peaceful. And yes, I nema we I see ya. Anka meaning say picking of form any submission of form crowd mobeti ho asem bia constituency no majo asumje constituency ni but say o submitting form na di yakobo na sum you can find out from him. In fact, when I saw him on Monday, now I was so this is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, not to our first one.
Now, I born in this one. I born in this one where he found where camp.
Oh, identify no one didn't try me. One did try me, but what he told me is say, MC no bodyguard.
And on a more bass musano. Mate, the Bessibiano, Yamabu, why better Cassa. Okay, 101.7 today. Na Mohammed Bashiru, Anya MPP secretary. The see what and what they are to get me.
Okay, FM 101.7.